Hello and welcome to the English Listening Podcast. My name is Olivia and today I'm here with Daniel. In this episode, Daniel and I will have a conversation about a real-life situation, going to a pharmacy and choosing medicine for a cold. We will ask questions, describe symptoms, and learn simple health vocabulary. Listening to conversations like this is important for learning English. When you listen and repeat, you learn natural sentences for real life. Then you can use similar sentences when you speak. Now, let's start. Hi, Daniel. You don't look well. Are you okay?
Hi, Olivia. Honestly, I don't feel good. I think I have a cold.
Oh no. When did it start?
It started yesterday evening. At first, it was just a sore throat.
And today it got worse?
Yes, today I have a runny nose and I feel tired.
Do you have a cough?
A little, not a big cough, but sometimes I cough.
What about a headache?
Yes, I have a headache sometimes, especially in the morning.
Do you have a fever?
I'm not sure. I feel warm, but I didn't check my temperature.
Do you have a thermometer at home?
Yes, I do, but I forgot to use it.
Okay, after we go home, you should check it. If you have a fever, you need to rest more.
Yeah, you're right. I just want something to help me feel better.
Let's go to the pharmacy. We can ask for advice. It's better than guessing.
Yes, please. I don't know what to buy.
No problem. We'll ask the pharmacist. Also, did you drink enough water today?
Not really. I had coffee, but not much water.
Coffee is not enough. You need water, and warm tea can help too.
Okay, I'll try.
Also, did you sleep well last night?
No, my throat hurt, so I woke up many times.
That's hard. Okay, let's go. Put on your jacket. It's cold outside.
All right, let's go.
Are you okay to walk?
Yes, it's close. I can walk, but slowly.
That's fine. We don't need to hurry.
Thanks.
While we walk, tell me, did you eat anything today?
I ate a little breakfast, but I didn't feel hungry after that.
That happens when you're sick, but try to eat something light. Soup is good.
Yeah, soup sounds nice, actually.
Good. We can make soup later.
That would be great.
Okay, we're here. Let's go inside. Hello. Excuse me. My friend is not feeling well.
Hi, I have a sore throat, a runny nose, and sometimes a headache.
He also feels very tired. What do you recommend? I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have a fever?
I don't think so, but I didn't check my temperature.
Okay, if you can, check it later. For a sore throat, you can use throat lozenges.
Lozenges are like small candy?
Yes, you put them in your mouth and let them melt slowly. They can help your throat. And for his runny nose, you can use cold tablets or a nasal spray.
Which one is better?
Tablets are easy to take. Nasal spray works directly in the nose. Some people like spray, some don't.
I don't really like spray. It feels strange.
Then tablets are fine. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Do you take any other medicine?
No, I don't take anything regularly.
Okay. For the headache, you can take a simple painkiller.
Like ibuprofen or paracetamol?
Yes, either one is okay. Just follow the instructions on the label. How often should he take it? Usually every 6 to 8 hours, but it depends on the medicine. Please read the label carefully.
Okay. Can I take cold tablets and a painkiller together?
Sometimes yes, but you must be careful. Some cold tablets already contain painkiller, so we should check the ingredients. Exactly. Look at the box. If it already contains a painkiller, don't take extra.
I didn't know that. Good to know.
What about something for cough? If the cough is light, warm tea and honey can help. If it gets worse, you can use cough syrup.
I have honey at home.
Great. Honey with warm water or tea is helpful. Do you recommend vitamin C? Vitamin C can be okay, but rest and water are most important.
Okay. Should I go to work tomorrow?
If you feel very weak, it's better to rest. Also, you don't want to give your cold to other people.
That's true.
He has an important day tomorrow, but health comes first.
Yeah, I think I should stay home.
If you have a high fever, trouble breathing, or symptoms for many days, please see a doctor.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
Yes, thank you. You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thanks.
Daniel, let's buy throat lozenges, cold tablets, and tissues.
Yes, and maybe cough syrup, just in case.
Your cough is light right now. Let's start with honey and tea first.
Okay, that makes sense.
Also, let's buy some herbal tea. It can help you relax.
Good idea. And maybe some soup.
The pharmacy doesn't sell soup, but we can buy ingredients.
Right.
Okay, do you want me to come to your place and make soup?
Really? That would be amazing.
Yes, I can make a simple chicken soup. It's easy.
Thanks, Olivia. You're a great friend.
No problem, but you must rest. No going out tonight.
I have plans with friends.
Cancel them. You need sleep.
Okay. I will cancel.
Good. Also, drink water, not only coffee.
Yes, Mom.
I'm not your mom, I'm just right.
Okay, you're right.
Okay, let's pay. Do you think I should wear a mask tomorrow if I go out? Yes, if you must go out, wear a mask and wash your hands often.
Okay, I will.
And don't touch your face too much.
That's hard. I always touch my face.
Try your best.
All right.
Okay, we're done. Let's go home.
I already feel better because we have a plan.
Good. When you feel in control, you feel calmer.
True.
At home, you will check your temperature, drink tea, and rest.
And eat soup.
Yes, and sleep early.
Okay, deal.
That's the end of today's conversation. Today, we practiced English for a real-life situation at a pharmacy. We learned useful words like sore throat, runny nose, fever, thermometer, throat lozenges, nasal spray, label, ingredients, painkiller, cough syrup, and herbal tea. Remember, listen again and repeat the lines. Repetition helps you learn natural sentences and use them in real life. Don't forget to like and follow the English Listening Podcast. See you in the next video.